told you. Happy birthday.
Are you going to be here this weekend?
All weekend till Monday morning.
My God.
Till Monday morning.
Oh my God. What are you doing here?
I wanted to surprise you.
Mom,
Share
what?
your
You
birthday
did
with
this?
I didn't do anything.
I started it.
Oh, my
I didn't do anything.
She joined me.
Are you kidding
Nobody
me?
else in Chicago knows.
Are you kidding me?
No, they just know there's a surprise for you.
Holy crap.
We have lots of surprises.
Oh my God. Mom. Holy cow. Oh my God.
It's for real.
No, I know.
Alright, I'm sorry.
No. Oh my goodness.
Here, this is.
No, come here. Oh,
I don't want to close the door on your wife.
Oh my God.
My flight was canceled this afternoon, and I didn't think I was going to make it. I'll wait till you hear the story.
Oh my God. I don't know what to say.
You have no idea.
No,
You
I
weren't
didn't know
supposed to.
that. Oh my God. How'd you two do this?
Email, cell phones.
Oh my God. I don't even know what to say. This is blowing me away. Oh my God, Mom. Oh, it's so good to see you. I didn't expect to see you.
I know.
All right, turn it off.
Okay.